أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Lesson number 2.
Lesson number 2.
Join letters.
Join letters.
In this lesson, we identify each letter when such letter joined with other letters in a word. Okay. The first one is Alif.
Alif.
Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
So there's a two letter. The first one is a Lam and next one is a Alif. Okay. So Lam and Alif. Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Good job. So same here. So this letter, the first one is a Lam. So next one is a Alif. Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Good. So next one is Ba Alif.
Ba Alif.
Ba Alif.
Ba Alif.
Good. So next one, Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Lam.
Lam.
Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Lam Ha.
Lam Ha.
Lam Alif.
Lam Alif.
Ba Lam Ba.
Ba Lam Ba.
Good. Kaf.
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 Good. So in the first two lines, so we'll learn different shapes of Lam letter and Alif letter. Oh, okay. So the first one is, this is a little bit different. So remember, if a strand line joined with next letter, that one is a Lam. If a strand line joined before letter, so that one is a Alif. Okay. So look, here is a
Okay.
Ba and Alif. So a line joined before letter. So same here. So look, this one, the first one, this is a strand line joined with next letter. So that one is a Lam. Okay.
Okay.
So we learn two different shape of Kaf letter. So the first one is a Kaf. So same next one is a Kaf. Okay. So both are Kaf. So next we did now Kaf Ba.
Kaf Ba.
So this letter is used the first one, first Kaf. So next look, Kaf Ba.
Kaf Ba.
And the second one. So can you see here is a sign of Kaf letter. So this sign is used here. So that's why we recognize it. So this one is a Kaf. Okay. Kaf Ba.
Kaf Ba.
Kaf Alif.
Kaf Alif.
Kaf Alif.
Kaf Alif.
Kaf Alif.
Kaf Alif.
Ba Kaf Ta.
Ba Kaf Ta.
Ba Kaf Ta.
Ba Kaf Ta.
So same here. So now the Kaf letter is used in the middle shape. The first one is the beginning. So since 3 times, so Kaf right is the beginning, but it's in the middle shape. So Ta Kaf Sa.
Ta Kaf Sa.
Ta Kaf Sa.
Ta Kaf Sa.
In the Holy Quran, mostly this shape is used in the middle, so of Kaf letter. Okay. So
Okay.
and mostly at the end, this shape of Kaf is used in the Holy Quran. So next, ba,
ba,
ta,
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 no.
mm,
So there's a four letters. So we will be recognize this letter with their dots. So simply, if a dot on the bottom, so that is called ba. If a dot on the top, so that is called noon. So same, if a two dot on the top, it's called ta. If three dot, then we read it sa. Okay. So next now,
okay,
if two dot on the bottom, so that one is called ya. Okay. So now we learn about that. So ba alif.
ba, alif,
Look, here's a one dot on the bottom. Look, same on the top. Here's ba. Ba have a dot on the bottom. So that's why we read it ba alif, ba alif.
ba, alif, ba, alif,
Look. So next one is noon. Noon alif, noon alif.
noon, alif,
So if a dot on the bottom, so that one is a ba. If on the top, so that is called noon. Okay, ba alif,
ba, alif,
noon alif.
noon, alif,
So next, ta alif,
ta, alif,
ya alif.
ya, alif,
So same here. So ta two dot on the top. So ya have a two dot on the bottom. Okay. So
okay,
next one is sa alif.
ta, alif,
Here. Ba sin.
ba, sin,
Yasin.
ta, sin,
Nun sin.
noon, sin,
Tasin.
ta, sin,
Sasin.
ta, sin,
Sajim.
ta, jim,
Taha.
ta, ha,
Good. So same here. Look, one dot on the bottom, ba. Two dot on the bottom, ya. So if a dot on the top, so that one is called noon. If two dot on the top, that one is called ta. If three dot on the top, so that one is called sa. Understand? Ba, ya, noon, ta, sa. Okay. Okay. So now read it yourself.
alif,
Here.
lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, lam,
Look.
ba, alif,
Good. So if a line joined before letter, that one is an alif, not lam. Remember.
okay,
Next.
lam, alif,
Good.
lam, lam, alif, ha, lam,
No. First you have to read lam letter.
lam, ha,
Lam ha.
lam, ha, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba,
Good. Remember, I told you if a letter, if a stand line joined before letter, that one is a lam. But remember, alif can't join with next letter. So because here's this letter joined with ba, so that's why we read it lam. Okay?
okay,
Alif cannot join with next letter. Alif always join before letter. Okay? So if a letter joined, strand line joined with next letter, that one is a lam, not alif. Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Kaf.
Here.
Kaf. Kafa.
Kaf ba.
Kafa. 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 Kaf. Alif.
Here.
Kaf. Alif.
Here.
Ba. Kaf. Ta. Ta. Kaf. Sa. Ba. Ta. Sa. Nun. Ya. Ba. Alif. Nun. Alif. Ta. Alif. Ya. Alif. Sa. Alif.
Ta alif.
Ta. Alif. Ba. Sin. Ya. Sin. Nun. Sin. Ta. Sin. Ta. Sin.
Ta sin.
Ta. Sin. Ta. Jim. Ta.
Mashallah. Taha.
Ta.
Okay, so inshallah next lesson we will be learn soon.